Your overlay is what surrounds your screen when you're streaming. People often have a place for their chat, their logo, their socials, goals, or even show off latest followers and subscribers. Overlays can be set up in an infinite amount of ways, but there are a few things to keep in mind when making one. First is to always have the biggest thing be you or your content. So if you're playing a game, the screen should mostly be the game. If you're just chatting, have it mostly be you and chat. I have my chat to the right of my screen in their own box right above my model. I have my logo on the bottom left and my socials in the space between. Of course, my game or whatever I'm doing is the huge space here. When I'm just chatting, I have it arranged a little differently. My model is on one half and chat on the other. While you can put it wherever you want, it's best to keep things easy and somewhat even to keep it pleasing to the eye. Look at the overlays that your favorite streamers are using and use them as inspiration to make your own. Even though my main overlay is to match my overall vibe, I made one for Halloween to celebrate spooky season. Having seasonal or event-related overlays helps set a mood and really makes certain streams feel special, so you don't just have to stick to one. I hope this helped a little bit. If you're curious about how to design your logo, I have a video for that. See you later. Bye bye!